Elliot Wolf Young trying to get the world record of rolling down the hill at the Botanic Gardens. No one's ever rolled down this fast before. Not even Daddy. Can he do it? Will he do it? Oh, he's making the world record. He's making the world record. He's got 2 more rolls to go. He did it! He touched Daddy's foot. Yay! Are you dizzy? Are you dizzy? How do you feel, sir? How do you feel after the race?
Really sick.
What does it feel like to be a world champion?
So,
You want to puke?
Daddy just
Your new word. You learned a new word, puke.
pretend you're like the audience. If I said, this is how I got.
Whoa! Are you dizzy? Are you dizzy?
No. I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, go do it.